Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review, and this time we're going to talk about a facial cream, a lightening facial cream. For those of you out there who are looking to perfect your complexion, get an even toned complexion, remove hyperpigmentation, and get a uniform skin in general. Now, what am I talking about? I am talking about the Skin Lightening Grape Elixir from Herbagen, Forever Young. Okay, so basically Herbagen is a company, a cosmetic company, which produces all these skincare products. This is actually the first products I am trying from them. So let's find out, is it good? Is it worth your money or is not? Now, this is one of the, kind of affordable skincare products, which are actually good. Yeah. Usually, if you don't pay too much for a skincare, you expect it doesn't really work. But this product is great. Now, let's talk about it. As you can see, this is how it came here in the black box with grapes on top, obviously, and it says it contains as active substances Vitasin is a grapevine root extract sourced in France, so it's from France. Yeah. Now, clinical studies have shown that this extract induced a significant reduction in the color and size of hyperpigmentation spots in just 4 weeks. Cream is a cocktail of 99% eco-certified ingredients of natural origin: grapevine root extract, rose water, aloe vera extract, grape seed oil, olive oil. Okay, great, natural products over there. Now, it says to apply daily by massaging until completely absorbed. The product here is 99% natural origin without parabens and colors. So this claims to combine two concepts in order to make more time for personal use. Treatment of the epidermis with 3 innovative derivatives of resveratrol. Let's just get straight to the point. Is this good? Is this not? So first impression, okay, so you can see it's almost, I'm almost through. Yeah, you can see that. It's almost done. Now, the color is a natural kind of beige and is a 50 ml, and this costs about 12 euros. Yeah, and this product over here smells very good. Now, I must say the smell is not pungent, it's kind of elegant. Yeah, it's not the one which actually penetrates your nose. So yeah. Now, I must say the consistency is on the lighter side. It's not thick, yeah, even though it's supposed to be a cream and not a lotion, it's not thick. So it's very light, and it's kind of good because it spreads easily. You don't have to rub to get it to absorb into your skin. It spreads easily and it leaves your skin feeling good. As you can see, this does not leave your skin greasy. I don't like greasy creams. So when I found out that this, kind of absorbs into your skin without leaving your skin greasy, I was very pleased because I don't like my skin to feel greasy, especially during the hot summer. So I've been using this for about 6 weeks, and as you can see, I've almost run out. Is it a good product? Will I buy it again? Won't I buy it again? Now, my first impression when I used this was the fact that it felt good on the skin. Apart from the great fragrance, it felt good on the skin, and it's really hydrated my skin. Now, talking about skin lightening, skin brightening, you must give it some time. I realized, some change in after about a month. Yeah, that is when I realized some, little pigments I had on my face due to some allergies are, fading away. It was fading away till it faded off. with the lightening properties, it actually works, but you need to give it time. Now, apart from that, it really hydrates your skin without leaving it greasy. I use this in the morning and I'm good to go, walking about, doing your daily activities. Now, the downside is that it does not contain sunscreen. So if you have to use it, you need to get a separate sunscreen for it. So you have to buy a separate sunscreen because this does not contain sunscreen. And if you're trying to prevent hyperpigmentation or treat it, you definitely need to protect your skin with sunscreen. So you need to buy that separately. Now, apart from that, it is a great product. I'm definitely going to buy it again. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. The packaging is great. It smells good, even though it's a little bit too watery. It's manageable, and I love the smell. I will definitely want to look at other products from this company, Herbagen. I will definitely want to look at other products because most of their products are organic, vegan, 99.9% organic. So those of you out there who prefer natural skincare to the chemicals and the medicines, you can check this out. Personally, I think this is a great product and I love every bit of it. I mean, Elixir product goes a long way, even though it is watery, especially good for those of you with oily skin because it will not leave your skin greasy, and it's ideal to use this in the summer because it makes your skin feels fresh and resurrected. Now, okay, so that is it. Have you ever used this product? Are you thinking of using this product? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am definitely gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.